We use the phrase would like for the same meaning as the verb want, but would like is more polite. Let's look at some examples. I would like a cup of tea. You might say this in a coffee shop or a tea shop. I would like a cup of tea. It's more polite than saying, I want a cup of tea. We can also say, she would like pizza for dinner. This is more polite than saying she wants pizza for dinner. You'll notice in both of these cases, we have would like and a noun. I would like a cup of tea. She would like pizza. We often use would like together with a noun. You'll also see we use the subject she here. In the simple present, we usually add s to the end of a verb for he, she, and it. But with would like, we don't add s because we have the modal would. And after a modal, we don't add s. Let's look at our last example, which is a little bit different. He would like to go to sleep. Here again, we have he would like, no s, but we have a verb, specifically an infinitive. That means to with the verb. We can use a noun after would like or an infinitive after would like. Now let's look at some contractions for these phrases. We can take I would, and when you're speaking, you can say I'd like a cup of tea. Same meaning. For she would, when you're speaking, you can say she'd like pizza for dinner. And same for he would. We can say he'd like to go to sleep. You can do this for our other subjects as well. We can say you would, you'd like. We can say we would, we'd like. They would, they'd like. And these are our contraction forms for these verbs.